Stocks to watch this week. Third quarter earnings season for retailers arrived this week, in addition to results from several major tech firms. There will also be a bevy of economic indicators released. Tyson Foods TSN reports on Monday, followed by Walmart, Home Depot, and Advanced Auto Parts on Tuesday. Cisco Systems, CSCO, Lowe's, NVIDIA, NVDA, Target, and TJX announced results on Wednesday. Alibaba Baba Group Holding and Applied Materials report on Thursday. General Motors, GM, and Procter & Gamble will both host investor days on Thursday. Tuesday will bring the October Producer Price Index from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. The consensus estimate is for a 0.5% rise last month, for an annual gain of 8.3% for the headline index. The core PPI, which excludes food and energy components, is expected to have risen 0.4% in October and 7.2% from a year earlier. Other economic data out next week will include the Census Bureau's retail sales report for October and the National Association of Home Builders Housing Market Index for November. On Thursday, the Census Bureau report housing starts for October, then the National Association of Realtors report on existing home sales for October on Friday. Finally, the Conference Board releases its leading economic index for October on Friday. That's forecast to show a second straight 0.4% month-over-month decline. Monday, September the 14th. Dentsply Sirona and Tyson Foods release earnings. Tuesday, September the 15th, retail behemoth Walmart reports third quarter fiscal 2023 earnings. The company's shares are down just 1.5% this year as more cost-conscious consumers have traded down to Walmart's offering. Advanced Auto Parts and Home Depot report quarterly results. The Bureau of Labor Statistics releases the Producer Price Index for October. The consensus estimate is for an 8.3% year-over-year jump to 0.1% point less than in September. The core PPI, which excludes volatile food and energy price, is expected to increase 7.2% match in September's gain. The PPI is still historically elevated, but more than 3% point below its record high from this past March. Wednesday, September the 16th, Cisco Systems, Copart, Lowe's, NVIDIA, Target, and TJX cars announce earnings. Rockwell Automation hosts its 2022 Investors Day. Now, the Census Bureau report retail sales data for October. Economists forecast a 0.5% month-over-month gain, while sales excluding autos are seen rising 0.6%. Both estimate a 0.5% point above September's figure. The National Association of Home Builders releases housing market index for November. The consensus call is for a 36 reading, 2 points lower than in October. Now, the index has fallen more than 40 points this year as the surging mortgage rates have soared home builders' outlook on the sector. Thursday, September the 17th, Alibaba Group Holding, Applied Materials, Keysight Technologies, Palo Alto Networks, and Ross Stores hold conference calls to discuss quarterly results. General Motors and Procter & Gamble host their annual investor days. The Census Bureau report new residential construction statistics for October. Starts of privately owned housings are expected to come in at a seasonal adjusted annual rate of 1.4 million, roughly even with the September data. Starts have fallen nearly 20% this year as the housing market continues to slow and cancel deals grow. Friday, September the 18th, the Conference Board releases its leading economic index for October. Economists expect a 0.4% month-over-month decline, matching September's. The index has fallen for most of this year, and the Conference Board now says 2022 gross domestic report growth at a sluggish 1.5%. The National Association of Realtors report on existing homes sales for October. The consensus estimated for a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 4.36 million, 7.5% fewer than in September. The median existing home sold for $384,000 in September, up 8.4% from the figure a year earlier.